Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. I am also good. My name is Sonu Kumar and this is day 8 of my spoken English challenge. So today I am going to talk about very important topic, that is plan or routine to build a new skills, to learn a new skills. And today I will share my daily routine to learn anything faster. If you also want to learn anything faster, then you don't need any talent. Just you need to follow a proper study routine. For that, choose a fixed time every day, either in morning or in evening. But be consistent and don't try to learn everything at once. Start with small steps. For example, you try to learn 5 words every day. And also, only learning is not enough. You must practice, like reading, writing, and speaking every day. Or use whatever you learn and focus only one thing at a time. And avoid mobile distraction while learning. Follow one YouTube channel and do whatever they say. And after that, every day you try to speak for 10 to 15 minutes and try to read anything for 10 to 15 minutes in English. It will improve your pronunciation and also your fluency. Check your progress every day. Even a small improvement matters. I am following also this routine and I can see improvement in my English. You can also follow the same routine. I am not perfect, but I am getting better. That's all for today, guys. Just apply all the things and share your experience. Let's see you in day 9. Thank you for the watching video.